Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set a default home screen page on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then touch and hold on the home screen. And here, swipe to the screen page that you want to set as the default. And at the top here, tap on the home screen icon, and that will allow you to set the current page as the default home screen page. Now you can see here at the bottom in the navigation bar. So if I swipe across here, and if I set this page as the default home screen page, you can see at the bottom here, it shows this current page now becomes a current home screen page. And that's it. And that is how you can set a default home screen page. So when it is set as a default home screen page, whenever I tap on the home button, it will take the phone back to that default home screen page. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.